Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing simple blockers so sign-in can proceed. First, confirm your internet and device clock are correct because Google rejects mismatched timestamps. Once done, update the Gmail app or use a current browser and clear cache and cookies to eliminate stale sessions. Next, type your email carefully. Extra spaces or wrong capitalization can break autofill. Finally, open an incognito/private tab or another device to isolate the problem and prepare for account recovery if needed. Now you move into recovery and security verification, which resolves most sign-in blocks. If password fails, choose Forgot Password and follow prompts. Expect verification via recovery email or phone. Make sure you have backup codes or access to your Authenticator app for two-step verification, because without them, Google will lock sign-in. Also review recent devices and security events and revoke any strange sessions. This prevents continuous rejections. Once you confirm identity, reset or generate an app password if using older mail clients. Finish by signing in on your primary device and re-enabling Syncso contacts and mail resume. Make sure mail sends and receives to confirm proper authentication. Then strengthen access. Enable two-step verification and save backup codes or register a recovery phone and email so future lockouts are easier to resolve. If sign-in still fails, use the Google account recovery form from a familiar device and network. Troubleshooting tip: clear Gmail app data or uninstall/reinstall the app to remove corrupted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.